Good morning, student. As in continuation with chapter number 5. So today in this video we will discuss about structure of human eye. So children, you are able to see the different things around you. It is all because of the sense modality which is highly developed. So audition and other senses also contribute significantly to information gathering from the external world. So children, visual sensation starts when light enters the eyes and stimulate our visual receptors. Our eyes are sensitive to a spectrum of light, wavelength of which ranges from 380 to 780 nanometer, which is 1 billionth of a meter. So children, the human eye comprises of cornea, choroid, retina, vitreous chamber, ciliary muscles, iris, retina, rods, cones. These are the major component of the eye. Now children, the major function of the cornea is, as you can all see, our eyes is made up of 3 layers. In the outer layers there is a transparent cornea, and rest of the part of the eye is covered by a sclera. It protects eye and maintain its shape. Children, the middle layer is called choroid, which is richly supplied with blood vessels. The inner layer is known as retina. It contains photoreceptor rods and cones. So children, the eye is generally compared with camera. For example, the eye and camera have a lens. The lens divides the eye into two unequal chambers, namely aqueous and vitreous. The aqueous chamber is located between the cornea and the lens. It is smaller in size and is filled with water-like substance called aqueous humor. The vitreous chamber is located between the lens and the retina. It is filled with a jelly-like protein called vitreous humor. These fluids help in holding the lens at its appropriate place and in proper shape. So children, the lenses of the eyes are held by the vitreous humor. These fluids help in holding the lens at its appropriate place and in proper shape. They also allow enough flexibility for the occurrence of accommodation. So, a process through which lens changes its shape in order to focus the object at varying distance. This process is regulated by ciliary muscles. You are able to see the distinct object which is far away from you. It is all because of the ciliary muscles which are attached to lenses. These muscles flatten the lens to focus the distinct object and thicken its focus near the object. Like a camera, the eye has a mechanism to control the amount of light entering into it, and these iris serves the purpose. It is like a disc colored membrane lying between the cornea and the lens. It controls the amount of light entering the eye by regulating pupil dilation. In dim light, the pupil dilates. In bright light, it contracts. So this is the major function of the iris. Now children, another component of the eye, that is retina. Retina is the innermost layer of an eye. It is made up of 5 types of photosynthesis sensitive cells, among which rods and cones are important. So the major component of retina is rod and cones. Rods are the receptors for scotopic version. They operate at a low colorless vision, whereas cones are the receptor for the photopic daylight vision. They operate at higher level of illumination and lead to chromatic color vision. Each eye contains about 100 million rods and about 7 million cones. The cones are highly concentrated in the central region of the retina, surrounded by the yellow spot. It is the region of maximum visual occurring.